Hi, this is Tech Enthusiast, and in this quick video, I will show you how you can get Mica effect on Google Chrome web browser. So let me first explain what Mica effect actually is. For example, here we have the Google Chrome stable version. Now, this version of Google Chrome does not have the Mica effect. As you can see here on the top, this window isn't actually blurred on top of this background. So what you will need to do, if I open, for example, this file explorer, now you will see this blur effect on top of this window. So this is design choice from Microsoft on Windows 11, and this is called Mica effect, which actually depends on the wallpaper or the background that you have set on your desktop. If I move window, let's say down below like so, you will see how the actual colors change depending on the wallpaper position or the position of this window. So here you can see that this side is more orange and this side is more blue. So this is basically the Mica effect. And now this Mica effect, as I said in the beginning of the video, isn't available on the stable version of Google Chrome. How you can actually get this Mica effect on Google Chrome is quite simple. We will need to download and install another Google Chrome, which is called Google Chrome Canary. So this is basically the preview version of Google Chrome, and some of the features are available already there because this is not stable version of Google Chrome. So to install the Google Chrome Canary, let's first search on Google for Google Chrome Canary. And if you press enter, then we can click on this first page where it says Chrome Canary features for developers. And down below, we can also click here, download Chrome Canary. After that, we should get Chrome Setup exe file. Let's click on it and install Google Chrome Canary. After the successful installation of Google Chrome Canary, let's click here, don't sign in. And I will also click here on this labs icon and enable all these settings. So from default, I will click here enabled for tab scrolling as well, and also thumbnail tab strip for tablet mode. I will here select enabled. Now let's click on relaunch, and after that, here we have a few of new design choices from Google Chrome team in this developer preview channel of Google Chrome. So here we are. Here we basically now have this Mica effect of this Google Chrome. So let me show you how this compares to the stable version of Google Chrome. So if I open up here Google Chrome, if I click here, now you can see that we have this Mica effect, which also depends on the background that you have on your desktop. I think it looks a lot better. So if I make this Chrome my active window, you can also see that this Mica isn't available, unfortunately, right now on the stable version of Google Chrome. But I think that this Mica effect and all these design choices for the 2023 Google Chrome refresh look absolutely stunning. Now, I will also show you a tip how you can also enhance this Mica effect on Google Chrome and many other programs which support Mica effect on Windows 11. So what you can actually do is to install another program which is called MicaForEveryone. So let's search for that on Google. And now let's go here to this GitHub page. Here, make sure that you scroll down and select here releases. Down below, I will scroll down once again and select here installer.exe file. I will click on that to get my exe installer, and let's go here and let's click on this installer. Now you should also get a prompt, Windows protected your PC. Click here on more info and then click run anyway. Here I will select install for all users, click next here, next once again, and then install. After that, MicaForEveryone should be installed successfully, and here I will leave checked launch MicaForEveryone and click finish. In the system bottom tray should appear a brand new icon, MicaForEveryone. So if I right click here, then we can select here settings and manipulate a few of the options here. What I recommend personally is to enable run on startup, as well as run as administrator on startup. And now what I will do, will exit the Mica and launch the Mica effect for everyone once again as admin. After that, let's open it once again, and here we are in the settings. Now I will enable this global rule setting, which is currently set on background type to Mica effect, to the acrylic. And now let me show you how this effect actually looks like. You can already see that we can see more prominent colors being enabled here on this tab. And now this program actually changed the Mica effect to the acrylic. Now let me show you once again how this Mica effect actually looks like on Google Chrome. So Mica effect looks like this. It isn't so much prominent as you can see here. You cannot actually see so much color on top of this Mica effect. But if I once again enable the acrylic effect, we can already see that we have more color behind this blur. So this is pretty much it. Another tip how you can make Mica effect beautiful with the MicaForEveryone tool. So with that said, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about this MicaForEveryone tool and also the Google Chrome Canary build with this all 2023 features of the Google Chrome. So if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel and have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.